Guys, we hope you're enjoying our funny videos that we're making for you. Want to tone it down this week and do something a little more serious. But next week we'll be back with another funny one for you. One of the most common problems that people have around the farm, around home, is that in most cases when you have just a piece of 3/4 piece of PVC pipe coming out of the ground, it's really hard to secure this and get it insulated. Now, if you choose to insulate this before you strap it, you're not going to be able to get your strap securely around the pipe to hold it secure to the building. And you're also going to leave your insulation exposed. And that means you're going to have to replace your insulation at least every other year. But we have a way that you can do this once and for all and have a permanent solution to this little problem. One solution would be to install this yard hydrant, which goes into the dirt and lets the water drain, thereby preventing it from freezing. But yard hydrants are expensive and a lot more difficult to install. I've already pre-selected what we need for the job. Here we have a 5-foot piece of 2-inch foam core, one 1-inch CTS pipe insulation, two 2-hole straps, one 2-inch PVC coupling, one 2-by-inch bushing, one 3/4 PVC coupling, and a can of PVC glue. Tools for the job include a PVC pipe cutter, a hacksaw. Now the first thing you should do in this job is to cut out your PVC bushing. We're going to need to take away the little stop on the inside. The easiest way to do that is to put it into a vise. But if you're on a job and you don't have one, here's another little sneak trick that'll make it easy. First, place your coupling on the end of your 2-inch piece of PVC pipe. Then take your bushing and put it into your coupling. This will make it easy when you try to do the cutting. It'll make it easier for you to hold on to it. Just simply hold there and use your hacksaw to cut your bushing. First, make sure your water supply is turned off. Next, come to here and make a cut right about here. Okay, next, dry fit your pieces back together using your coupling. Take your 2-inch pipe, lay it here, and get your measurement. Cut your 2-inch pipe where you want it to go. Okay. Next, pre-cut your insulation. You can use your PVC pipe cutter to make a really smooth cut. Next, glue your coupling onto your pipe, only on the piece that's out of the dirt. Immediately, take your pre-cut pipe insulation, place it around that, just like so. Install your 2-inch pipe over your pipe insulation. You can beat this down in the dirt, give yourself some stability. After you place your cut 2-inch bushing inside your 2-inch coupling, take the remaining piece of pipe in your faucet and stick it through like this. Your elbow should go into the bushing flush. Placing glue around your pipe here, there's no need to glue this. Lastly, you can simply add your 2-inch strap and it will hold the whole thing securely to the building. And you've protected your insulation forever. Okay, so the total of our job came out to less than $15, and it took about 15 minutes to do the job. And it will probably pay for itself the very first time that you don't have to go back and replace that pipe insulation. We hope this was a helpful video for you, and we'll see you next week.